Let me introduce you to the Mando special. This Oriental Rice combination of sausage, broccoli, a bunch of veggies, mushrooms, and rice is such a great way to fit in a lot of food without a lot of calories. Look at the massive size of this portion. Let's get into it. Let's start by adding some low-calorie cooking spray to a pan, then set that on medium-high heat. Add 300 grams of frozen broccoli, plus 125 grams of mixed veg. Then take 100 grams of washed rice, add that to a pot with 200 mLs of water, so double the water for the rice. Add a pinch of sea salt just to give it some flavoring, and then once the water starts to boil, you want to lower it to a simmer. As always, my friend, if you're enjoying this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we're going to add 100 grams of sliced mushrooms. Then we're going to give it a good stir to avoid any unnecessary blackening of the veggies and sticking. We're also going to add 4 diced chicken sausages. This is about 128 grams. Once again, give it a good stir. Make sure that none of it is overcooking and sticking to the bottom of the pan. We're now going to create our sauce by adding 20 grams of soy sauce to a small bowl, followed by 20 grams of rice vinegar, 10 grams of Hoisin sauce, and 10 grams of oyster sauce. Also, we're going to be adding 5 grams of cornstarch. This is really going to thicken the sauce up. Mix everything until the cornstarch is properly dissolved. Add your cooked rice to your pan. Lower that from a medium high to a medium heat or medium low, and then give it a good mix. Make sure to get everything well distributed, spread out, and then once you're done with that, you're going to want to add your sauce to the pan. Spread it out evenly. Make sure to coat as much of the rice as possible. Lower this to like a low heat. You don't want to overcook it and burn the sauce. You just want to make sure that the heat activates the cornstarch and you get that sticky sauce properties. Look at this massive portion. This huge plate of food has a total of 47 grams of protein, 122 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, 799 calories for the whole thing, weighs over 800 grams. And there you have it. You can easily divide this into 2 portions. I'm a big boy with a massive appetite, so I'm going to eat the whole thing. Plus, I'm not on a diet at the moment, so it's not a biggie. It is such a treat, such a great dish. You have to try this. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos if you need any more inspiration for some healthy recipes to make. Like and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day.